Hello and what's up everyone. I hope you all are having a great day and I'm here to make it a better one. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get to the topic. So the topic, or let's say I'm starting a free crash course. I will be covering all the important topics that one needs to understand before starting trading or like to build concepts on top of it. So yeah, before we jump in right exactly into the video, let me clear some things first. So yeah, disclaimers first, this has to be said before any video. So yeah, everything I say is for entertainment purpose and entertainment purpose only. Nothing I say is any sort of any advice. Historic data doesn't guarantee future results. Always consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. So I think it's already clear like what the disclaimer is. Like you have to take full accountability of your own trades. And yeah, before I explain everything that I'm gonna be covering in this free course, yeah, there are a few things which you need to consider before starting. So first thing first, trading is a very complicated stuff. But it's easy, but it's hard. It's like not easy. I mean to say it's simple, but it's hard to execute and all that stuff. So there are two elements in trading. First is finding an edge, or say like something that works in the market. Second is the psychology, like how do you deal with the money which you place on the bets or the trades you take. So those are the two things which are like almost equal, but I say edge is very transferable and it can be taught. Through this course I'm trying to share the things that work for me, and for the psychology part it has to be built. No one can teach you, it has to be built over time like a skill, be it cricket, football, anything. You can watch a few videos or ask some professional like how it's played and something, you will understand it. But to master it you need a lot of time, a lot of screen time. You need to ask yourself like are the things you can change according to yourself, your beliefs and all that stuff. So yeah, edge is transferable, which I will be covering what works for me in the course. But for the psychological part, you are on your own. You have to build it over time using journal, ask yourself right questions. Screen time, it will take a lot of time. And whatever here, okay, and yeah, this I need to clear this. Whatever I share here, don't take it as solid information. If you don't backtest or collect data on what you learn from here or anywhere else on any platform or any books, the loop of hopping from one strategy to another strategy won't end. You will forever be in the loop if you don't backtest or like collect data on what you are trying to do on the markets or the charts or anything. You need to sit down, backtest, collect the data, and then only think of trading. Else, like you will be just hopping. This is attractive, let's go there. This is attractive, let's go there. So at some point, you have to stop chasing and have to see what works and how to improve it. So it's your money at risk. So take full responsibility of it. Don't take my advice or take anyone for that matter. Think carefully what's happening and all that stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's jump right into it. So in this whole course, free course, I will be covering the candlesticks and the pivots, which are a key part of my trading strategies. Trading view guide, like how to use shortcuts, how to make indicators and all that stuff. And reading volume. Volume will be one of the, like this will be introduction to volume. There's a lot of things you can do with volume. And next was the charting thing, the market structure and the stuff, point of interest. So VWAP, ledges, order block, FVG, swings and open, low, high, close, NPOCs. Yeah, and how to use all that and plan your day. Then entry models. Of course, if you are trading, you need an entry model to trade. So it could be swing failure pattern, engulfing, CISD, swing break, fair value gap, divergence. It could be anything. So I will be covering all those in detail. And yeah, sessions. So this is another thing what most don't talk about it. So I will be covering that too. Sessions on Nifty, sessions on crude oil, Bitcoin, ES, and gold. So well, I always talk about data, so it will be about how to gather data, how to make indicators, how to get a logical approach. Like you want some indications, but how do you want to indicate the approach to them, the logic you have to build to make it as a code? That's very important. I will explain all those things here, and after that we will jump into the TPO part, like time price opportunity. It will be a big and a long series. Crash course on TPO, initial balance and day types, initial balance and trading strategy, yeah, so there are multiple things here. And poor highs and lows, same thing. TPO order block is like auction market theory, reading flow, deltas, absorption, CVE, tape reading. Risk management, yeah, this is one of the most important things. Like one doesn't can have not an edge in the market, but still with risk management can make significant difference. So risk management is like one of the elite things that makes one a profitable trader and losing trader. You can have a strategy which has 90% win ratio and you can still be a loser in terms of money or trades if you don't have a proper risk management. So yeah, this part will be a pretty important one. And this class psychology, this has to be built over time, so I can just share the books or the thoughts or something which I had problems in the past. So yeah, I will just discuss it, but how to overcome, I can only share experience, but you have to ask yourself questions when it comes to psychology, because it's your personal behavior. It took years and years of your experience to build that psychology, so it won't just go away in one word or in one scoop. You have to ask yourself right questions and build on this. So this is pretty much the introduction of like what you will be learning here. So for now, this is it. So from next video I will be jumping into the course. So see you there.